Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create poll on Facebook Messenger 2023. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. First thing we need to do is open the Messenger app. Tap on the Messenger app icon on your device to open it. Either start a new conversation with a person or group you want to create a poll for, or open an existing conversation. And a text input failed, you should see a plus button or icon to the left side, so you have to tap on it. Among the options that appear, look for poll and tap on it. Type in your poll questions and ask a question failed. Below the question failed, you can add different options for people to choose from. Tap on option to add the first option and then continue adding more options as needed. Once you have entered your question and options, tap on the create poll button. Your poll will be created and sent to the conversation. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.